What's going on YouTube? Kenny Alexander, Black Sheep RC. It's been a long time coming. I've been in the works of this for a minute and it's finally here in my hands. So without further ado, I'm starting a new build, y'all, and I want to take y'all with it. Well, I ain't starting a new build. I'm just finishing it off basically, but without further ado, check this out. Oh yeah, let's see what's in here. See this. There we go. Well, y'all see who it's from. See who it's from. Look at this, y'all. Oh, we'll just start here. Motor mount. And it's for the big boy or the 800 kV. Or I can use the old one for the 800 kV. Look at that top brace, y'all. Here, I'm just gonna let it all out the bag. This is for the Max 4 combo kit, y'all, for this big bad boy right here. And I asked him to make me, look at this, y'all. Ooh-wee. The piece de la resistance. Vitavon Beauty. First one in anybody's hands, y'all. Thank you, Arthur. I can't thank you enough. Look at this, y'all. Look at this, y'all. And it ain't done. It ain't done. Hold on. We got more. This is a kit, y'all. It comes with a kit with all the bracing that you're going to need. It comes with the front brace. It comes with the gears with it already. The 1.5 mod gears. And it comes with the back brace. Right here it is. There's the other braces, guys. Look at this thing, y'all. Just look at this beautiful piece of artwork right here, y'all. And it is the Creighton chassis, so it's longer. I'm going to have to stretch my Outcast like I did my XL pretty much. So I'm going to have an Outcast 8S XL or a Creighton, whatever you want to call it. But, yeah. So I can fit the big boy Max 4 combo. And this is designed for the Max 4 combo, you guys. It's made strictly for the Max 4 combo. That's your top plate that goes on the top. Oh my Lord, y'all, look at this. Yeah. All right, y'all. We're going to get her together. That's what I've been waiting on. There it is. All right, y'all. She's not all the way done, but she is pretty much. She's got Vitavon hubs and knuckles, Vitavon links, Vitavon bulkheads, Vitavon and everything. And now you guys, the first person to get that. Just take a look at that, y'all. Just soak that all in. Oh my God, y'all. Don't mind that ugly thing on my Max 4 shroud there, but you guys, it's got a Vitavon bell crank in there. You see it, Vitavon in there. It's got a Vitavon links. It's got, like I said, look at all the Vitavon bracing. This is for the Max 4 up here, guys. When I quit running the Max 5, Max 4 is going right here. And yeah, carbon fiber battery trays. That's the 800 kV in there right now. But look, guys, that's the 800. Look how much more room you got. I mean, that's for the big boy. That's what it was made for. So, Vitavon hubs, knuckles, bulkheads. Yeah, man, this thing is a work of art, y'all. Just, I mean, it's beautiful. Look at that, y'all. 7075. It's got holes cut in the bottom for your motor mount, so you got 3 locking points. Like, yeah, Arthur, you killed it with this one, buddy. Just look how beautiful that is.
Really?